Hello, this is Jim here. Different video than the usual. We just picked up the Nike Air 180s today, and if we cast our mind back sometime to 91, 92, when these start circulating, we had these little brochures here, which I still have the originals, and I've actually a couple of pairs of the Air 180s. Well, battered now, but they are in storage. But these were the old books here. Some of you may or may not remember that came out in the day, and I think the heel bubble is kind of smaller this time around, as well as past the last couple of retros. Now I'd like to actually get that checked out, but these were the books that we got. We also had the Robinsons. These again are all original posters which I've kept over the years and looked after them, and they're pretty cool indeed. And of course we have the original schematic page for the Air 180 as well, and those who were fans of these will remember. And if we flip it over, we can see the schematics there, all the drawings and layout, pretty cool indeed. And again, something else I've kept up, I have a couple of bits and more pieces like this tucked away, and this is, yeah, it's the second one of these books that I have here. But that's pretty much on the leaflet side. Bringing us up to speed, going back to when I kind of started collecting, and probably before, we had these Command Force. If you remember, these are the pumps, and we still have these pretty much brand new. And then we moved up onto the Air Force 180, which these have been up in a box for the last countless years, and I've started wearing them recently. But you can see what happens then, cracks start popping in here, but nonetheless still a comfortable shoe. And a recent purchase here is the 180 Cookie, which I got not so long ago, and I have a couple of Air Vapor Max as well, and other bits and pieces like that. But we're checking out the Air 180s today. This is the new 2018 release, and all we get in the box is just the trainers, no tags or anything like that, Nike tags. So a bit disappointing, but however. So we can see here we're in the original colour that they came out in first, and they pretty much are identical to what we've seen before, and they're pretty cool indeed, pretty nice. I love this kind of colour here, and of course we have the 180 degree visible air unit. And inside, in the tongue, we've nothing on the tongue, but the size and all is down here. And of course our insole, which is Nike Air Max International, and pretty nice indeed. And pretty much they are just the same as what we've seen before several times retroed now, but I'd argue the bubble in the originals was bigger, slightly bigger. I might stand corrected on that, but that's just a quick look at the Air 180 2018 re-release, which we picked up today. And we're going to be picking up some more 270s perhaps, and some other Air Max. That's just a quick look at these. A few people who follow me and who's trainer fans like myself said if I wouldn't mind sticking up unboxing of these up if I got them, so that's it there. But yeah, I also collect trainers as well as blog on technology, and I've quite a big collection of trainers here too. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. That's the Nike Air 180 2018.